Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s. The u we have e to the power of s ds. So this one we change for u. E to the power of s ds we change for du. Next, we need to use about integration by parts. So we need to put about t equals to arcsin of u. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we have du over the square root of 1 minus u square. dv we have du and we have v equals to u. So we have t multiplied by v minus dt multiplied by v. So we have the integration u du over the square root of this one. Now I will concentrate about this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equals to this one. So we put the z square for the both sides. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. We have 2z dz equal to negative 2u du. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. The square root we change for z, u du, negative u du we change for z dz. We simplify and we have z plus c. About z, that's about this one. And now we return back to this one in here. So we will have about negative in here with this one, and we have positive 1 minus u square plus c. About u, that's about e to the power of s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.